And finally, right, is the hatches. Once we place all the furniture inside the space, right, in the room, then we can apply hatches, right? So please change the hatch layer and click the hatch here, right? So for tiles, for example, for ceramic tiles and toilet and kitchen, right? So we can choose, you can use net as tiles, or even NC here is okay, but then we need to change the rotation. Right, so let's look for the net. There you are, net. Right, and then click. There you are. Click and click. All right. So as you can see, the scale of the tile here is too small. So try make it to 50 and enter. All right. And you can apply the same tile here as well. Once you have done, close hatch creation. Right. So for the living room, we require another type of tiles, which is much bigger than the ceramic, right? All right. So for the living room, because there is a marble tile, so we still use the net hatch here, but then the size will be slightly bigger, probably double. So the scale will be 100, and then apply the tile here. So this is a marble tile. Close hatch creation. Meanwhile, for the master bedroom, we're going to use a parquet. Right, let's look at parquet flooring. There you are. The big one. Yeah, there you are. Click and click. All right, once you're done, close hatch creations.